who have come along with me. I will introduce you one by one. I want to welcome all of you to the NRM office. I also want to thank the team from the Secretariat that has accepted to join us in this meeting on a short call. We want to thank you so much for joining us. Dr. Tanga with your team, and then the treasurer with your team. Thank you so much. The honorable colleagues, once I want to congratulate you upon your honor. Congratulations. I am here, and when I sit here as a second national voice. I leave the office of the Speaker in Parliament. So when I am here doing my work of the party, the mighty party. And actually we should start saying NRM our party. Okay? We should change the slogan. NRM our party. Exactly. Because it is a party for everybody in Uganda now. The opposition is almost getting out of Uganda. First, as a party, we want to apologize for whatever could have happened to the independent members of Parliament. We know you came as an independent out of our own internal conflicts. But all that said and done, by God's grace, you are a member of Parliament. And you should thank God for that. And you're a member of Parliament. Legally, you are an independent. Politically, you are NRM. So don't imagine that you're not NRM. You are NRM politically. Legally, because you cannot cross over the floor, that's why you are an independent. Honorable members, one thing that we want to assure you as a party, that we will never let you move alone. The same benefits that NRM will get is the same benefits that you, the independent members of Parliament, who have signed a memorandum of understanding with the party, will get. If it is in the leadership, we will equally give leadership to the independents. We have slots assigned to independents. So you should know you are in the right place. You are at home. Even when we are going to Chankwansi for the retreat, we will invite you. Honorable Barbara will request that you give invitations to each, but invitations will come to my office. Then we'll give the invitations to all of you to join us in Chankwansi on the 7th to 14th of next month. I also want to just let you know, remind you, that the Dean of Independence is the Speaker. The Speaker will ensure that the independents are comfortable, and will make sure that the independents work hand in hand and together with the party. And we should be able to develop our areas. Don't be shy and say, I am independent, I should not monitor government programs. Our work is to ensure we have the socio-economic development of the country. We serve humanity. We do work for government. We monitor all the government programs. And as members of Parliament, you are the voice of the voiceless. Honorable Barata, we also want to request you, now that these people are signing up with you, these people are part of us. Some of them have cases. You should not harass them, because they are our people. And today, we have come with a team the team of 27 independents. We are about to finish them. We've come as a team to sign with the legal team of the party. Honorable Barata, these are your guests for today. They've already gotten the forms. They are going to sign before you, and they will hand over the forms to you. And from today onwards, they belong here. This is where members you belong. This is your home. And anytime you're welcome to the NRM. I want to introduce the members of parliament that came along with me and are ready to sign a memorandum of understanding. And when these members of parliament, independent members of parliament, sign with us, that means their constituencies are also now with us. For instance, if you are to look at Kumi, the woman member of parliament of Kumi, she's an independent, meaning that Kumi is now also in NRM. Tororo is here, Angela is there. Topista is there. Lucy is there. You see all these ones. Mercy is also there. Anyway, let me introduce the members of parliament who are here. We have Honorable Ngabirano Charles.